How to keep standby mode always on iOS 17. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, scroll down and the option of standby will be visible to you. Simply head over to it. So right here you can see that on my device, the standby option is disabled. In order to turn it on, simply toggle on this option. Well, the standby feature has been successfully enabled on your device. Now, if you want to keep this mode always on iOS 17, then what you want to do is, in this page, you should see the option where it says always on. Right now you can see it is not available on my device. It might be because that the software is not up to date. But for you, if you see the option of always on, all you have to do is toggle on that feature. And then after that you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can keep standby mode always on iOS 17. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.